If you're looking for your next prime location spot, this is the deal for you. We're right on the corner of West 117th near Lakewood, Ohio. Let's go check it out. Let's talk about the space first in this general retail location. You've got a great kitchenette here, so if you want to use the bones that's already on the property, you've got over 4,500 square feet of usable space that you can move your business right into, including 4 garage bays, another office right over here, another bathroom, and all of this finished area. In addition to those 4 other bays, you've got the bonus bay here that could also be used as an office or an additional workshop for whatever your business needs are. And what I love about this general retail space is you can really do whatever you want. You can continue to use the garage if you want. There's another spare bathroom right here in the back, and additional storage area back here as well. So either start fresh with the completely new building or use the bones that are here. So this property sits on almost an acre. It has over 3,000 square feet of frontage, as well as multiple different entrance points off of Lynette and West 117th. So if you'd like us to roll out the red carpet for you and make this your next property, reach out to us today.